All right, guys. So we're gonna deliver just the Ninja Bounce house today. Now they arrived here yesterday, and I didn't have time to actually review them. So we kind of rushing on time. We're just gonna unbox it, and just air it up at the customer house. Now I'm not gonna have time to air it up today. So hopefully everything's fine. We also gonna deliver the Princess Castle today, and this one's gonna be for next weekend, guys. So we'll take our time and review this one. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up and load it up right there on the trailer, guys. We got almost everything ready so we can roll out. So let's do it. But this is the first open up. It looks really small. Looks really small, but we didn't have time to actually open it up at the house. We're gonna do it right here. Let's take this blower out. It looks really small. So this is how they deliver the bouncer, guys. Nice and rolled up, no air. It's really small, but hopefully it's not that small. We're gonna unroll it right now and see how it looks like. Y'all check it out. This is how the bouncer looks like, guys. It's not that small like I thought it was gonna be. It looks small when it came out the box, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's pretty big. You got the little basketball thing. Emergency exit. That's very important. Always want to make sure zipper's closed. I like this one though. All right. Entrance is right here. We might have to push it back just a little bit so it won't get too dirty. So we're gonna push it back. This is the Ninja Bounce House. All right, guys. So we're almost done. We're about to go ahead and deliver the other one. I like this one though. I like this one. So what you gonna do is the kids won't have a hard time getting in. She's gonna try to tie these up.
Tie it. That's the only thing you can do.
Oh, okay. She's gonna tie it. But this one is pretty big. It's bigger than the Princess Castle. This bounce area is pretty big. This one's pretty cool. Yeah. There you go, guys. JumpOrange.com. All right. So she's gonna take care of that. All right, guys, so the bouncer is ready. We're gonna roll out. They're not using water because it's still kind of chilly. It's only March, so you know it's for a little birthday boy. So they wanted the superhero. This is the Ninja Castle, and like I said, they're not using the pool, but you know it's not detachable. So one thing I am thinking about buying is a padding that goes under here, so they won't get hurt. All right, but yeah, that's about it. I didn't have time to review it, guys, so this is just a video of dropping off the new bouncer. It's pretty cool, pretty big. Kids are ready. This is where you put your little business cards. So I'm about to start putting adding business cards right here. All right. Here's how the inside looks like. Basketball hoop. So yeah, I'm gonna buy some brand new balls, because the ones I had, they already deflated, but so they can play around and have fun. Everything's secure. We already checked everything. We finna roll. Gotta deliver the other one. All right, that's it. Finna roll out. I'll see you in the next location, guys. Let's get it. So she's gonna unroll it for y'all guys. Pretty simple. This is what I like about the combos, that are real easy. I don't see why people complain that, oh, the bounce house business sucks, it's too heavy. Nah, you just gotta have the right equipment, and you just gotta know how to do it the right way. All right. Now the ones that you do have to put a little bit more work are the big water slides, but it's not hard. It's not that hard, guys. It's not that hard. All right. Oh no, there you go. Showtime. Let's get this party started, guys. That's how you do it, guys. Combos only have like 2 zippers. Most combos only have like 1 or 2 zippers, so that's pretty cool. There you go. It doesn't take long to set it up. Doesn't take long to air it up. Very easy bounce houses. But this is what some people are scared of, to jump in on the bounce house business, because they think that it's a big hassle. They think it's a lot of work. It's not really a lot of work. You know, it's just the mindset, guys. When I first got into this business, I was like, I don't know what I got myself into, because I was thinking, okay, this is a lot of work, but it's not a lot of work, guys. Once you get the hang of it, it's not a lot of work. All right. What she's doing is she's making sure that it's secure so the kids won't trip. All right. There you go. But that's it, guys. Doesn't take long to air it up. As you can see, all you gotta do is give it a little push up. Push it up. We always want to make sure these bounce houses are secure no matter what. Because when the kids jumping around, you know, this bounce house sometimes move around, and you don't want that. All right. There you go. All right, guys. So this is how it's looking like now. They already put the tarp for the entrance and the slide, and all they're doing is giving a nice little wipe down for presentation. It's not dirty, but we always want to make sure the bouncers are sanitized, clean, and presentable. All right. So she's gonna go in, take care of the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and stake up this tarp, stake up these 2 other ends right here. The other side is already staked up. He's just cleaning it up, and that's it. We'll be good to go. This bounce house don't take long to set up. The bounce house combos don't take long to set up. I say about 30 to 40 minutes should be your time to set up a bounce house combo. I say no more than 30, 35 minutes, guys. Maybe 40 minutes at the most. Alright guys, so we already here at the location. Let me just call him, let him know we outside, that we're here.
Hello?
Hey, how you doing? We outside your house now.
Okay, I'm not at home, but I called my wife and let's come out.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, appreciate it. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, so he's gonna let his wife know that we outside so they can let us know where we're gonna put that bouncer at. So let's go outside. It's okay, GoPro. I'm finna get you. I'm finna get you, okay? Alright guys, so I was able to recover my GoPro. I thought I was gonna I thought it was a loss. I thought we was not gonna get it no more. Yeah, so there go me right there. Look like a construction worker. Yeah guys. But that's epic. Can't believe this happened. The wind actually blew it to the drain. Lesson learned, never park the truck next to the drain. But there goes the bouncer, guys. I didn't get to record the setting up, but y'all already know how things go, you know, y'all already seen the videos. Now I gotta take a shower again. I took a shower in the morning, now I gotta take another one, guys. Just don't feel right. I might have rabies or something. But yeah, we're done. We're finna go home and that's it for today. Whew, I'm tired now.
Says first case of the coronavirus confirmed in Shelby County.
Well guys, we finna roll out. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on another video. Let's keep grinding harder, guys, and don't let anything stop you. Let's get to it. Let's do it. I'm out, baby. Oh, it looks nice. Far away. That's our bouncer right there, guys. That's our competition. Let's go deliver some more bouncers. Let's go deliver some more bouncers, guys. There go our competition. There go the drain. Gotta stay away from the drain, guys.